Hey guys, this is Akaya. I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today's video is going to be about a new client that I have. He let me know that he wanted me to repair his locks. He has alopecia, and I just wanted to share this with you guys. Please, before you comment, just pay attention to the video. I left a very good comment in the videos why he did wind up keeping his hair. What I did was I gave him a good massage, scalp massage. We used Do Grow. I'm sorry, why did I just say that? We wind up using a wild growth oil. I love using wild growth oil, and I gave him a regimen to follow up with. In this video, I am making his locks because he had locks on one side and then the other side didn't have locks. So we are completely done. And please, guys, make sure you watch the video below so you can see why we wind up keeping his hair. Okay? Take care, be blessed, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.